Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick AirTag comparison review between these two best brainstorming tools, which is Capacity and Anytype. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Capacity shines when you want a clean, structured space to capture your ideas and turn them into connected knowledge base. With its object-based model, automatic backlink tagging, and an AI assistance for sparking ideas, it's great for creative thinkers who favor clarity and order. On the plus side, it's privacy-focused work offline and help you build a second brain naturally. And on the downside, some advanced features are still maturing and its mobile experience feels a bit limited. I'm talking about Anytype on the other hand prioritizes data ownership and security. It's fully offline, fast with local first storage and end-to-end encryption, meaning your node stays on your device unless you explicitly sync it with other devices. And it also offers a rich relational database and a connection between the pages, types, and a graph view to map out how your ideas link. But the trade-off comes in the form of steep learning curve, occasional synchronization bugs, especially when using cloud, and some users also report performance issues. So in my opinion, I think choosing Capacity is okay for a lightweight and a visual clean space to brainstorm and build ideas with smart linking, or go with Anytype if you care deeply about privacy, local control, and a want power graph based knowledge tools. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.